Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can potentially get hundreds, maybe even thousands of free visits every day from Quora. Well, actually I'm going to show you 100% free tool that will help you to get those visits. I'm going to show you step by step how to find the best questions where you can leave your answers and get tons and tons of free traffic from Quora. For those of you who don't know what Quora is a question and answer website, and it is the biggest website of that kind on the internet. And let me show you potential of Quora. When we go on SimilarWeb, we will see that Quora is getting more than 550 million visits every month, as you can see here on this graph. Also, when we scroll here, we can see that more than 50% of their visitors are coming from highly developed countries. United States, United Kingdom, Canada and Australia. And here we can see that more than 90% of their traffic is direct traffic and search traffic, which is the best kind of traffic because that is the most targeted traffic. Also, Quora is ranking for more than 50 million keywords on Google, and for more than 6 million keywords, Quora is ranking on first page on Google, and that is why Quora is getting so much search traffic, and that is why Quora has a huge potential. And if you're not using Quora for affiliate marketing, if you're not using Quora for promotion of your blog, your website, your YouTube channel, you need to start immediately because, like I said, Quora has a huge potential. But before we continue, please like this video and also share it with your friends so they can also learn how to get tons of free traffic from Quora. And also please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. So let's continue. So like I said in the intro, I am going to show you 100% free tool that will help you to find the best questions that you can use to get free traffic from Quora. So what you need to do, obviously first thing you need to do, you need to register on Quora. After you register, you need to click on your profile image in the upper right corner. Click here and then click on Ads Manager. Now first you will need to create your ad account on the Quora. It's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward, so I will not show you how to do that because like I said, it's a simple process. Click here on Ads Manager. Now this is my new Quora ads, and that is why you can see here only zeros because I didn't started any ad campaign on Quora. So what you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner on new campaign button. And you will come to this page here. Now this page is not that important, but you need to fill all of these fields. So campaign name, it's not that important, but you need to add it. So I will say something like test, for example. Okay. Choose conversions. Here, conversion event, I will choose generic. Budget, like I said, it's not important. You just need to add budget. So I will say, let's say $100. You can say even 100,000. It's not important because we will not actually start ad campaign. We just need this tool. So click here on continue. And this is the page that we need. So pay close attention. This is the most important part of this video. So what you need to do, you need to scroll here and you need to click here on contextual targeting and then click here on questions and then click here on bulk ad. And here you need to type your main keyword. So let's say I'm in car niche. So here I will just type car and then click here on continue. And Quora will give you top 20 questions that are related to cars. Here you can see questions and here you can see how many views these questions are getting every week. Here you can see that this question is getting 5,000 to 6,000 views every week, which means this question is getting more than 20,000 views every month. Now imagine the potential. Here you can see this question is getting 2,500 to 3,500 views, and so on and so on. Then imagine if you answer on all of these questions, how much traffic, free traffic you will get. So let me just search for another keyword. So let's say I'm in dog niche. So I will type here dog, for example, and then click here continue. And here you can see that top dog related question is getting between 1,000 and 1,500 views every month. And other questions are not getting that many views, but I'm guessing that on these other questions, competition is much weaker. So let me just find another question. So I will just click here on back and let's say I'm in let's say weight loss niche. So I will type here weight loss. And then click continue. Now you must click on continue. If you press enter, nothing will happen. So you need to click on continue. And here you can see that top question is what are the best ways to lose weight? And it's getting between 2.5 and 3,500 views every week, which means this question is getting more than 1,000 views every month. So let me just open this in new tab just to check this question. So let me just go here. And as you can see, more than 9,000 people is following this question. And when we scroll here, we will see the top answer was made on July 4th this year. That was just a month and a half ago. And it already has 34 upvotes, which is not that much, which means we can actually rank as a top answer for this question. And in one of my previous videos, I showed you how you can rank your answer as a top answer on Quora and get traffic for free. And it already got more than 15,000 views in a month and a half. Now imagine how many clicks this girl here got on these Google Documents. I'm guessing more than 1,000 totally free visits from these 15,000 in just a month and a half. And when we scroll here on second answer, we will see 52 upvotes. Like I said, competition is not that strong. You can rank for this question and get free traffic. As we saw, this question is getting more than 10,000 views every month. So we can get tons and tons of free visits to our website from Quora. Now, often happens that these questions are getting 50, 60, maybe even 100,000 views every week. And that means that competition is too big, it's too strong, and it's really, really hard to rank as a top answer. So what you can do is you can simply find these questions here that have less competition and that where competition is not that strong, and answer on those questions and rank your answer as a top answer by using the technique that I showed you in one of my previous videos. And now imagine if you answer on all of these 20 questions, how much free traffic you can get. So let me just select all and let me just target 20 questions. And here you can see that these 20 questions are getting between 10 and 15,000 views every week. So more than 40,000 views these questions are getting every month. Now imagine if you answer on all of these 20 questions and you rank your answer as a top answer. How much free traffic you can get from those questions. How much free traffic you can get from Quora. And when we go back on this question here, we will see that this top answer is actually not that good. As you can see, it's really short and this girl just left the link to the Google document. You can surely write a better answer than this and you can easily rank it on as a top answer. Now, all you have to do is just copy the question of this answer. So let me just highlight this, Ctrl C, and go on Google and paste it here in the search bar and click search. And Google will give you list of websites that actually explained this, who actually solved this problem. So all you need to do is just research these articles, check them out. So let me just click on this one here, 10 ways to lose weight without dieting. And that is actually WebMed. WebMed is a huge website and it has a huge authority. It's a very trusted website. So I will click on it. So all you have to do is just go through this article, read it out and rewrite this article and then go back on Quora and leave that answer here. And like I said, that will be much better answer than this one here, and people will give you upvotes and your answer will rank as a top answer and you will be getting thousands and thousands of views every month totally free on that answer. And like I said, at least 10% of those people will click on that link and visit your blog, your website, your landing page or whatever you are promoting. And after you answer on this question and answer on all of these 20 questions that are related to weight loss, what you can do is you can simply click here on bulk again, and here you can search related term. So because we searched something in weight loss, here I can search something, for example, fitness. and then click on continue. That is related to weight loss, and I will find another top 20 questions that are related to fitness but also related to weight loss. And I can just click here on target 20 questions, and as you can see here, 15 to 25,000 people see these questions here every week on Quora. So that is more than 60,000 people see every month these questions here, these 40 questions here. And like I said, if you answer on all of these 40 questions, you can get tons and tons of free traffic from Quora. Now, as you see, Quora has a huge potential, and Quora Ad tool also have a huge potential for finding the best questions where you can leave your answers and get tons and tons of free traffic. But this is really important. Quora doesn't allow affiliate links. So if you are going to promote affiliate products, you need to build a landing page, a bridge page, and then send people from that Quora answer to that bridge page or landing page. And if you combine this tool and the technique that I showed you in one of my previous videos on how to rank your answer as a top answer on Quora, you can potentially get thousands and thousands of visits to your blog, to your website, to your YouTube channel, to your affiliate offer every day. Literally, trust me, I'm using this technique and I'm getting hundreds and hundreds of visits to my blog, to my website every day, totally free from Quora. So this is how you get free traffic from Quora. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.